friends. I just finished a beautiful oil practice combining my blend Create on stomach 30. And stomach 30 in Chinese medicine is part of the Chang Mai. And the Chang Mai is a meridian that comes into formation when we're still in utero. And its nickname is the blueprint. And so I access this meridian a lot of the time when someone's at a stage in their life where they might be questioning their purpose and how best they can utilize what they came into the world with, right? Tapping into their gifts and then sharing them with the world. And I find that this beautiful combination of rose and cypress is a great way of getting there, especially combining it with this point. I had a professor when I was in school say that stomach 30, along with the spleen point right next to it, which I think is spleen 12, he called those the forgiveness points. They help to relax the abdominal rectus muscles. And cypress is an oil that I always think of when I need to distill something, distill the process, distill my thinking, get rid of noise, distractions. And then rose is this beautiful euphoric oil that just sweetens up the process. So after completing this aroma acupoint therapy treatment on myself, I just feel more at ease, and I have more clarity about how I want to move forward in this next stage within my business and in my personal life. So I figured I would share that with you. If you have cypress or rose, or if you want to grab a bottle of this, let me know. Try out the practice. It smells so good. There's cypress is this pungent oil, so it brings this clarity and focus, and then rose comes in there and just sweetens it up, nourishes. Nourishes the aha. All right, give it a shot. Let me know how it goes.